Hi, and good morning everyone. My assigned topic is all about Pangasius. Pangasius. Pangasius is a genus of medium-large to very large shark catfishes native to freshwater in South and Southeast Asia. So, makita ninyo sa picture, ang shark, kanina shark catfishes, mura lang siya kidaka sa shark na makita siya sa South and Southeast Asia. The term Pangasius is sometimes used to specifically refer to the commercially important basa fish, or what we call in a scientific names Pangasius burkharti. In 1993, Pangasius was one of two extant genera, along with Helicopagus in the family Pangasidae. At this point, ang Pangasius split siya into four subgenera, which is the Pangasius Pangasianodon, Pangasius Pteropangasius, Pangasius Neopangasius, and Pangasius pangasius. Kani nga subgeneric classifications gikonfirm ni sila pag year 2000, except aning Pangasius Neopangasius nga makitaan siya sa polyphyletic and gipart siya sa Pangasius pangasius. So, types of Pangasius fish and their scientific names. There are so many scientific names nga akong research, pero kasagaran balik-balik ang iyang English name, ang ubang way English name pero na scientific names, pero mo na akong giswat ang unom. We have the giant Pangasius or Pangasius bianae, Pangas catfish or Pangasius buccanae, spot Pangasius or Pangasius burginae, short barbel Pangasius or Pangasius dijuanae, Mekong giant catfish or Pangasius gigas, and lastly the striped catfish or Pangasius hypophthalmos. So sa unom ani nga scientific names, awang gipili ani mao ang striped catfish or the Pangasius hypophthalmos. Striped catfish or Pangasius hypophthalmos is a body long laterally flattened with no scales, head relatively small, mouth broad with small sharp teeth on jaw, vulnerary and palatal bones. So, mo ni ang Pangasius hypophthalmos or striped catfish. Tag-as ni sila nga isda nga they have barbels, kani makita ni duha ka barbels, the eyes small, head po niya, og fins dark gray or black, 6 branched dorsal fin rays, gill rockers normally develop. Young fish have black stripe below lateral line. Ang mga bata nga isda nga Pangasius hypophthalmos kuan sila nga itom sila, while ang large adults uniformly mag-gray na sila, sometimes greenish. Dark stripe on middle of anal fin, dark stripe in each caudal lobe, small gill rockers regularly interspersed with larger ones. Ang Pangasius hypophthalmos or striped catfish mo ni ang major fish species sa Mekong River fishery, ug sa Mekong River fishery mo ni ang one of the largest and most important inland fisheries in the world. So makuan to sa ilaha nga ang striped catfish mo jud ang ilang pinaka major ug ang pinaka largest nga inland fisheries sa ilaha. So ecology. The traditional development of capture-based aquaculture for this species, particularly in Vietnam and to a lesser extent in Thailand and Cambodia, probably began because it is a prolific spawner or kanang bisan ma-research na kuan sila murag unlike sa mga mga sea urchins nga mag spawn sila sa bus or basta kay maglublob sila, producing relatively large numbers of larvae that are easily harvested from the flowing river. Dali ra po sila ma-harvest. This riverine freshwater species is limited to the Mekong River, the Chao Phraya River, and possibly the Mekong basins in Cambodia and Vietnam. Ang kaning paggasos sa Ptolemos sa Mekong, makita ra nato siya sa mga freshwater riverine o sa Chao Phraya River. Next is feeding habits. Pangasius hypothalamus can be fed with kitchen waste, rice bran, or pellet feeds recommended for faster growth and better fish quality. Ang Pangasius hypothalamus day, ang ilang gamit sa laog mga waste sa kitchen, mga pellet feeds nga magmadali na laog kadako at a rate of 2.5% of their average body weight and will be adjusted bi-weekly. So, dali sa mo dako jud kay sa kadua kasi mana 2.5% of their average ang kuha nila. Feed conversion ratio average to 1.5 to 1, which makes it suitable for culture. Pangasius hypothalamus is omnivorous. Omnivorous means they can eat both plants and animals during their first year. So, ang Pangasius omnivorous day, ma-omnivorous sila sa first kinunahan nila nga years. And the following years, may mga silang herbivorous. Distribution. The natural distribution of the species was restricted to small geographical area. Ang kaning Pangasius day, makita nato sila sa small geographical sa Vietnam, Thailand, Lao PDR, and Cambodia in the Mekong and Phraya River basins. So, in recent decades, sa niaging mga kuhan, ang striped catfishes nga has been translocated for aquaculture. So, niaging dekada, makita na to ang striped catfish sa Bangladesh, India, China, Indonesia, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, and many more countries. Striped catfish is bentopelagic, typically within the range of pH 6.5 to 7.5 and 22 to 26 degrees Celsius. So, ang striped catfish, makita siya sa bentopelagic. Ang bentopelagic, kanang very bottom of the sea, kanang makita nyo sa nanado sa ilawom sa dagat. Life cycle. Life cycle of Pangasius hypothalamus is intimately tied to the annual monsoon flood cycle, with spawning taking place in May to June at the start of the monsoon season. In the dry season, these and other species congregate and shelter in the deeper refuge areas. So, magkakuan na lang season sa ang life cycle sa pagkuan sa Pangasius ka monsoon sa May to June, mo mangita sila og spawning. So, pag-abot sa dry season, mangita na sila lugar nga maka moy ilang bayan in the deeper refuge areas. The spawning habitat consists of rapids and sandbanks interspersed with deep rocky channels and pools. The eggs are sticky eggs and are deposited onto the exposed root systems of rheopilic tree species. So, mao ni ang life cycle sa Pangasius. Ang baiyog laki, injectionan siya, gaan siya hormones. Then, eggs unmelt a dry strip. Water is added to activate the sperm. Kuna batang tubig. Tanin is applied to remove egg stickiness. So, kaning tanin, mura rin siya chemical nga mapakuan sa itlog stickiness sa itlog sa isda. The eggs are thoroughly rinsed with clean water. Hugasan siya og tubig and incubated in conical stainless steel or glass. Ibutang siya sa steel or jars. Eggs hatch within 22 24 to 24 hours depending on water temperature. Larvae commence feeding just prior to yolk sac absorption after 24 hours when they are stuck into nursery plants. Nursing stage 1 or kanang sa tawag to na is 4 weeks ibutang siya sa mga constant cage or na. Then sa nursing stage 2 muna na sila ang mga fingerlings nga ibutang nato sa pans, cage or pens. So after 6 or 7 months, market size fish are harvested at 8.5 to 10 months. So 6 to 10 ang pag-harvest sa Pangasius hypothalamus or the striped catfish. Next is the reproduction. Pangasius hypothalamus is primarily reared in ponds and cages. So mao to may ibutan sa ponds and cages. Pangasius is usually stocked at high densities and grown for around 6 to 8 months before it reaching its harvest weight of around 1 kilogram. The spawning period is between February and October with the age of sexual maturity known to be 3 to 3.5 years. So ang kuan sa isda ang Pangasius day magkuan na sila sa February or October. Pangasius are also highly fecund. Females can produce up to 80,000 eggs per kilogram and can be spawned several times. Pond production can lead to yields of around 250 to 300 metric tons per hectare, more than 4 times that of other aquaculture species. So the lifespan of the Pangasius hypothalamus up to 20 years. So taas. Ang Pangasius hypothalamus kung ibutang sa aquarium maka-reach siya about 39 inches or 100 centimeter. Then the uses and importance of striped catfish is the feasibility of reusing wastewater from pond culture as nutrient input for integrated rice, Nile, tilapia, green bean farming systems, and to what extent this could contribute to decreasing the environmental impacts on water quality from the striped catfish industry in the Mekong Delta. So, ang striped catfish day makatabang siya sa pond culture sa mga tilapia o mga green bean farming systems. Sa ang striped catfish usa siya nga important fishery o food source sa Cambodia, Laos, Thailand, Vietnam. So mao to ang striped catfish, mao na ang pinaka-importante sa ilaha. Then next is the feed supply. In 1990, Vietnamese striped catfish on growing producer used farm-made feeds prepared from various ingredients. So pag 1990, ang Vietnamese ang gamit nila farm-made feeds kanang ilang ginama, including ang trust fish, mga isda nga mga dubok bana or mga salin, rice bran, soybean meal, blood meal, broken rice, cotton seed flour, milk, eggs, and vegetable supplement with vitamin C and A premixes. So kuya ilahang kuan sa Vietnamese pag 1990s. Pag abot sa 2008 ni-improve ang ilang pag-feed from farm-made feed quality, gi-increase nila towards to the use of commercial pellets. So doon na sila gagamit og mga trash nga mga fish. Ang ilang gigama na pud ron, gi-improve nila ang paggama og pellets para sa supply sa ilang isda. The unit cost of farm-made feeds is cheaper, but these feeds have FCRs of 2.8 to 3.0 to 1 and cause great water quality deterioration. So, dako pog tabang ning magpilit ang feeds food kay makadako siya og kuan sa isda, dali mo tubo. Harvesting techniques. Striped catfish are harvested from ponds by netting, following partial tidal gravity, drainage, and pumping. Striped catfish, kung mag-harvest sa ponds, ang ilang gamit mga kanang pokot, so gamit nila nga magpalog sila sa kanang gidakon sa dagat og kanang pagpumping. So, ang cage are harvested by raising the cage netting by hand. So, lahi po ang nasa cage kay mano-mano sila magkuan sa net. It is normal for an entire pond or cage to be harvested at a single time to meet the large volume requirements of processing plants. Net pens are harvested by sea netting on spring low tides. So, the harvested fish are usually transferred to processing plants live in whale boats without aeration by river. So, the production statistics nila. From 1990, ubos sila pag-abot na sa 2010, muna nakadako sila tungod sa ilang gigama nila nga giproduce nila nga feeds. Market and trade. Vietnam has the capacity to process 3,500 tons of aquatic product daily, and the capacity is increasing. There are presently 405 industrial scale processing plants in Vietnam, which the 301 kay certified gi-export nila sa Europe ug ang 30 gi-certified sa gibalin nila sa Russian Federation, and 16% are currently ISO certified, or the International Organization for Standardization. The farming of Pangasius hypothalamus has seen it emerge as a commercial freshwater species that is now a significant component of global whitefish supplies. So, kuya din yung Pangasius hypothalamus kay paglibutan siya sa freshwater, murag nagamaan siya nga gigamit sila og global whitefish supplies, while trade in frozen products generally stagnated in 2007 and 2008. Status and trends. It is anticipated that aquaculture production of Pangasius hypothalamus will further increase in the medium term. Prices will initially remain stable, but may drop later if China solves its striped catfish production problems and increase output. So, ang Pangasius hypothalamus sa ilaha, ang ilang presyo sa pagkuhan mo ragyapon remain stable, pero but may drop later sa China, mo na magka-increase na or magka-dako ng ilang prices. However, the farming of this species is a very high-risk activity for a food-scrape production. Maka-risk yun yung pag-pharmacist kay household care production because profit margins are extremely tight mo to kaabot sa laing nga nasod ang pagbaligya kuan mo na magkadako jud ang magka-increase ang presyo. So next is the traits. Wide population striped catfish face threats from overexploitation, habitat degradation including changes in water quality and flow, and fragmentation of river habitat. Ang threats sa striped catfish mo ang exploitation, the changes water quality, the fragmentation, and the flow of river habitat. White striped catfish was once an important fishery and food source in Cambodia. and having been introduced widely outside its native range for aquaculture. So that's all my topic, and thank you for listening and watching, and God bless us.